What is the direct consequence of A is equal to G for the apparent weight R? A. R becomes 2 milligrams. B. R becomes negative. C. R becomes 0. D. R becomes mg. The correct answer is C. R becomes 0. Which organism causes filariasis? A. Plasmodium vivax. B. Wuchereria bancrofti. C. Anopheles mosquito. D. Aedes aegypti. The correct answer is B. Wuchereria bancrofti. What are the horizontal rows in the periodic table called? A. Periods. B. Groups. C. Columns. D. Blocks. The correct answer is A. Periods. What year was the PIN, Postal Index Number, code system introduced? A. 1970. Born in 1972. Circa 1975. D. 1980. The correct answer is born in 1972. What options are available to change the state of matter in the simulation? A. Solid, liquid, and gas. B. Pressure and volume. C. Freezing and boiling. D. Density and viscosity. The correct answer is A. Solid, liquid, and gas. What is removed from the egg before placing it on the flask? A. White. B. Yolk. C. Shell. D. Albumin. The correct answer is C. Shell. What type of muscle often works in antagonistic pairs? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Involuntary muscle. D. Cardiac muscle. The correct answer is A. Skeletal muscle. What is the chemical formula for pentane? A. C5H12. B. C5H10. C. C5H14. D. C5H8. The correct answer is A. C5H12. Which type of spectral line has a frequency that is exactly the same as the incident ray? A. Raman line. B. Rayleigh line. C. Stokes line. D. Anti-Stokes line. The correct answer is B. Rayleigh line. What was the primary function of the Chola assemblies regarding local temples? A. Converting temples into public schools. B. Using temples for military training. C. Demolishing old temples to build new ones. D. Managing and maintaining the local temples. The correct answer is D. Managing and maintaining the local temples. What is the consequence of toxic substances entering the organism through the food chain, as described? A. Rapid degradation. B. Toxin dilution. C. Chemical neutralization. D. Biomagnification. The correct answer is D. Biomagnification. What was the title of the unit that Lieutenant Ely and Lieutenant Popham belonged to? A. The Urquhart Guard. B. The Cavalry Corps. C. His Majesty's Battalion. D. The Gunners Regiment. The correct answer is C. His Majesty's Battalion. Which state is partially depicted in the map within the text? A. Kerala. B. Telangana. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is A. Kerala. Which two Italian city-states are mentioned as profiting from trade? A. Venice and Genoa. B. Naples and Milan. C. Florence and Rome. D. Pisa and Siena. The correct answer is A. Venice and Genoa. What does a deficiency of electrons in a body signify in terms of charge? A. An indeterminate charge. B. A neutral charge. C. A negative charge. D. A positive charge. The correct answer is D. A positive charge. How many members are directly elected to the Legislative Assembly of Tamil Nadu? A. 234. B. 1. C. 3. D. 235. The correct answer is A. 234. Which part of the ovary is the inner region? A. Medulla. B. Cortex. C. Stroma. D. Germinal epithelium. The correct answer is A. Medulla. What taste is characteristic of bases? A. Sour. B. Bitter. C. Salty. D. Sweet. The correct answer is B. Bitter. Which right is mentioned as right against exploitation? A. Right to equality. B. D. Cultural and educational rights. C. B. Right against exploitation. D. C. Right to property. The correct answer is C. B. Right against exploitation. Where was the highest pressure ever recorded? A. Akta, Russia. B. London, England. C. Tokyo, Japan. D. Guam, Mariana Island. The correct answer is A. Akta, Russia. Where is red phosphorus typically located on a matchbox? A. Mixed with potassium chlorate. B. On the sides of the matchbox. C. On the head of the matchstick. D. Inside the box. The correct answer is B. On the sides of the matchbox. What is the main part of the plough described as? A. A flat iron plate. B. A long log of wood. C. A short metal rod. D. A curved plastic tube. The correct answer is B. A long log of wood. What did Kabir achieve through passionate devotion and intense meditation? A. Spiritual enlightenment. B. Granthavali. C. Sikhism. D. Ramcharitmanas. The correct answer is A. Spiritual enlightenment. What event led to the observation of 1st May as Labor Day? A. The Haymarket Affair. B. The Great Railroad Strike of 1877. C. The Civil War. D. The establishment of factories. The correct answer is A. The Haymarket Affair. Which characteristic distinguishes ciliate epithelium from squamous epithelium? A. Irregular cell boundaries. B. Presence of prominent nuclei. C. Bearing delicate hair-like outgrowths. D. Forming delicate linings. The correct answer is C. Bearing delicate hair-like outgrowths. Which of the following activities is compared to menstruation in terms of naturalness? A. Breathing. B. Sleeping. C. Running. D. Studying. The correct answer is A. Breathing. What is the primary purpose of word art in a presentation? A. To exit the program. B. To format entire pages. C. To create charts. D. To insert attractive text. The correct answer is D. To insert attractive text. P-block elements are intermediate between which portions of the periodic table? A. Upper and lower portions. B. Top and bottom portions. C. Inner and outer portions. D. Left and right portions. The correct answer is D. Left and right portions. Which city has India's first metro? A. Kolkata. B. Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Bangalore. The correct answer is A. Kolkata. What other tax did Aurangzeb reimpose on Hindus besides jizya? A. Property tax. B. Trade tax. C. Pilgrim tax. D. Land tax. The correct answer is C. Pilgrim tax. How did you score?